Hey you guys, if you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to Tamara TV. My name is Tamara and this is my lifestyle channel. Alright you guys, so for today's video I am doing an unboxing and review of the Butta lace front wig, and here is what it looks like. I just got it in the mail today and I did order this off of Amazon. So just to tell you guys a little bit of information about the wig, like I said, I did get it off of Amazon. I paid $69.99, so $70, which is a lot more than what I would have had paid if it was on like another website. I did hear that this wig was anywhere from $30 to $40, so yeah, I did have to pay that extra to get it. I'm not gonna lie, I have searched it on many other websites and it is like really out of stock in every other website. So yeah, it's kind of hard to find, and even on Amazon I did get the last one. So yeah, this baby is selling like hotcakes, so I need to see what all the hype is about. So yeah, this wig is by Sensational and it is called Butta Lace, and it is the unit number 3. And I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it. And here is what it's looking like straight out of the box. So here it is. There's just so many pieces and so all of this stuff. Okay, so here is the wig, and first thing I noticed is that it does look really thin, but in the videos that I've seen, whenever they comb it out, it definitely does get very voluptuous. It also is really long. If you guys can see that, it's really long. Looking at the hairline and the part, so here is the part, sorry. And the part actually looks really good for this to be synthetic. The hairline looks good. There are some baby hairs on here. Yeah, this is actually looking really good. Like straight out the box, it looks really good, okay? So the construction, it's like a T part in a way. There is a little bit of lace hair in the front for customization, but it looks like it's already pre-plucked. Again, there is baby hair, so that's kind of that. There are 2 clips here in the front, or sorry, 2 combs here in the front. There's also 1 comb in the back, and they have the adjustable straps along with the tag. So that is that. I want to go ahead and read the stock card. So the stock card, you know, Butta lace, what lace, it gives you the colors. Butta unit 3, color 1B, and then just shows you this in the front. And it's just kind of like showing the lace. This is a virtual HD lace undetectable wig. Ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair, natural density hairline, blends with most skin tones, and virtually undetectable HD lace. So those are kind of the stats on it. It doesn't actually say how long the wig is. It doesn't say like if it's, you know, 28 inches, 26 inches. So I guess that's just undetermined. But yeah, so let me take off this stock card. I'm actually very excited for this. I really don't like synthetic wigs. I just tend to have like the worst time ever with synthetic wigs, but I've seen lots of reviews on this one. Oh, and also if you guys have been eyeballing the wig that I have on, I do have a video on how I colored this wig, so if you guys want to see that, I will leave a link to it in the description below. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and take this one off and throw this one on. Okay. So here is the wig. And first things first, it is definitely big head friendly. I do have a big old head, and this is fitting pretty nicely. It's nice and snug. So I'm definitely going to have to tint this lace because this is really just not blending with my skin tone whatsoever. But I wanted to show you guys the hairline on it. So, not gonna lie, the hairline actually does look pretty good. I mean, I like it. Yeah, I do. I really like it. And it looks good. I mean, it might need a little bit of tweezing, but I think for it to be a synthetic wig, this is really good. So now to talk about the length, I will say that I am very impressed with this length. I actually love it. Here it is in the back. And it like touches the top of my butt. And for reference, I am 5'8", so this wig definitely has some length to it. And I want to like finger comb it out, but I prefer to customize it first. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off camera really quickly, and I'm going to go ahead and customize, you know, like tint the lace and cut off the lace and do all that fun stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I just got finished customizing the wig, and here is the final product. So to run down what I did, I went ahead and tinted the lace with some foundation powder and then some liquid foundation. I also laid the baby hairs and I straightened out the part. I also finger combed the hair to bring out the curls and add a little bit of volume to it. And this is how it came out. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below how it's looking. So whenever I was doing the customization, I'm not gonna lie, I did have to put a little bit of work in. The lace, it was kind of hard to tint. That's why I had to do the powder and then go in with the liquid foundation. And the liquid foundation was definitely better for me. Also, it does kind of suck that there's not much lace around the perimeter, so I can do plucking. I do feel like I need to do just a little bit of plucking, just, you know, for my liking. But I mean, other than that, I do think that it turned out really well. I am really impressed with this wig for it to be a synthetic wig. You honestly can't tell at all. It's nice and soft. The layers in it, it really adds to that like natural look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really impressed. One thing I would say is I didn't have to pluck the part at all. The part was like literally perfect. All I had to do was tint it, so that is a plus. All in all, I am like really impressed with this wig. I'm not gonna lie, like I really am just genuinely impressed. Like, I love it. I love the length. For one, the length is really what's getting me. And then the layers, that's bomb. And then the curl pattern, it's just working for me. I really like it. And I really want to know what you guys think about it, because again, it is a synthetic unit. So I want to know what you guys think. Does it look realistic? I love it. So I am actually going to go ahead and wear this one to the pumpkin patch. Me and Malil, my niece and my nephews, were headed out to the pumpkin patch, and I was going to wear the orange one that I had on in the beginning of the video, but I like this one so much, I'm just going to go ahead and rock out with this one. So yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything. And I do apologize that I wasn't able to customize it on camera. I just don't have the setup for that now. But yeah, that is everything for this wig. So I will leave the Amazon link down in the description box below in case you guys want to purchase. But with that being said, I am pretty much done with this unboxing and review. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also feel free to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to look forward to new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I'm going out to the pumpkin patch. Ciao for now.